Hey guys, an easier weeknight dinner would be hard to find, so come right back for my Cheechako Turkey Tacos from the Paleo Grind. Woo! Keep it paleo. We're gonna make this one just as it's listed on the back. We have a recipe on each spice blend, and here's what it says. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons Cheechako Taco spice blend, that's this, and then 1 pound ground meat, either beef, turkey, chicken, pork, etc. All right? We have a 1 1/4 pounds, so we're gonna use 2 1/2 tablespoons, if that makes sense. So check this out. I got some olive oil in the pan, 2, and we'll call that 1/2. I don't have formal measuring spoons, but I got a pretty good eye for it. So olive oil, toast the spices, get that going. Then we'll get our turkey in the pan, just like that. Then we're gonna take, once our spices are good and toasted, make you cough a little bit, you're doing it right. We'll just take and fold this turkey in. All right, now you can use, this is a 93.7 turkey. You can also use 99.1. I like the flavor of the extra fat, and I've been kind of withering away lately from so much stress in my life that I need some more energy. So that's why I'm going with 93.7. I'm just gonna let this cook and then set up some taco shells. Instead of doing a lettuce wrap, we're gonna use cabbage. It'll be a little bit more burly. It'll give us some color and just kind of switch things up a little bit. So I'll do that. Take a head of cabbage. I'll quarter it like that. Carve out the middle. And then right in through here, we should be able to find some pretty good cups that'll serve as taco shells. We'll just go with those 3 right there. All right, then we'll start setting our plate. Boom. From there, you can gussy these babies up however you'd like. I'm gonna use a tomato, some red onion, and then maybe a little avocado. So get into the tomato here. Just like that. Red onion. We'll mince this baby up nice and small. Just like that. Let's check our meat. I'm gonna call that done, baby. As soon as it's cooked through, cut the heat. Let's plate this baby up. I'm here to change you guys from Cheechakos to sourdoughs, and this is one way to do it. The sad thing is that there's nowhere within 500 miles of here where I could go and order this off a menu, so the only option I have is to make it myself. So get yourself some Paleo Grind, invite your friends to the show, and then when they get there, cook up a storm and teach them how to keep it paleo.